the convergence of academicians, industry experts, consultants, research scholars and students from all across the country, willing to intellectually debate on issues related to the theme.
The conference aims basically at bridging the gap between the industry and the academia. When we talk about the gap, it's not only the gap between the industry and the academia, the gap is also between the academia in the eastern part of the world versus that in the western part.